The Directorate of Criminal Investigations claims it recovered a 7.62 blank round, 2 unused tear gas canisters, 9 external hard drives, 2 laptops, company seals, checkbooks, stamp duty documents, a company stamp, 2 mobile phones, a laptop and several notebooks during a search at Mwangi's Mageuzi Hub offices in Nairobi.
It was exclusive to the office, but we can also confirm that they conducted a search at his residential home in Lukenya, and they carried away a few things. We're going to address that later as we prepare for the court process as well.
But Mwangi's legal team has rubbished these claims. Speaking outside Pangani police station on Sunday, Advocate Njanja Maina accused the police of planting evidence to frame the activists for terrorism offences.
We can confirm and we can state with no uncertainty that those are things that Boniface did not have in his possession. Those were not things that were in possession of his office, and those are not things that were brought to our attention. So we do not know why they are saying now that they're coming out with terrorism charges, but we will deal with this head on.
Maina said Mwangi was arrested at his home at around 4 p.m. on Saturday and brought to his office, where police had obtained an ex parte search order. She questioned why officers also searched his home despite the warrant being specific to his office and without an accompanying arrest warrant.
So I want to say that we've spoken to the DCI Starehe and the OCS here, and they've given the family full access, and whoever, they will allow a few people to go in and see him, but they've asked that we respect that this being a police station, we can't all come in at the same time. And we've agreed that we will respect that as much. Because the respect that they have accorded us, that we may respect them as much because they did not arrest him, they are just holding him as a police station.
The lawyer clarified that Mwangi is being held on a holding charge as investigations continue and assured supporters that he remains in good health and has fully cooperated with the police so far.
But legally we can say he is here, he is detained here, he is here on a holding charge. So it is not Pangani police station that has arrested him. He is here and he is being held on behalf of the DCI. We can confirm he is well. He was also taken away this morning and taken to the DCI headquarters to make a statement. He has confirmed to us he is fine and that there's nothing haphazard that went on there.
Outside Pangani police station, activists camped, chanting his name and demanding his immediate release.
How can you say the young people of this country are terrorists? How can you say that?
Mwangi is expected in court on Monday to face charges linked to facilitation of terrorism during the June 25th anti-government protests, where tens of demonstrators lost their lives on a day meant to honor victims of protests held a year earlier.
Boniface Mwangi is not a terrorist. He has not been involved in any form of arson. This intimidation must end, and it must end now. And our demand, first of all, is to the ODPP, those who are approving this kind of charges on innocent protesters. The ODPP must exercise Article 157 of the Constitution to make independent decisions on what to charge.
Meanwhile, Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has condemned Mwangi's arrest, terming it an attack on freedom of expression and directing over 100 opposition lawyers to take up his defense.
Wakili wetu, Jumatatu, there will be 100 of them to make sure Boniface Mwangi is out of jail. Mwangi anajulikana duniani kote as an activist, as a human rights activist. Anataka ashtakiwe, awekwe mashtaka kwamba ndiye alikuwa anasimamia mambo ya kuchoma manyumba wakati wa maandamano. Na hali tunajua magun wote, goons, waliletwa na serikali ya Ruto.
Kalonzo further criticized recent police violence against protesters, stating that even the most notorious dictators never issued shoot-to-kill orders against peaceful citizens.
Uvumilivu umeisha. Wanasema enough is enough, but as I say enough is enough, they do not recognize that they are putting this country into serious disrepute internationally.
The Kenya Human Rights Commission has called for Mwangi's immediate and unconditional release, accusing the state of weaponizing terrorism charges to silent dissent.
And as we speak here, Kenyans can't continue to watch this country go in a downward turn.
Reporting for K24 TV, my name is Robbie Omondi.